got your birthday card.
Sometimes it's kind of hard to hang on to my decks of cards. People like to play with them all the time, so I have to keep mine locked up. A deck. Cards.
Does Tommy Fillingham be over at Parish Lane?
No, we're going to watch some magic.
Uncle Baseball Magic.
Who is being over at Parish Lane?
Somebody told me when to stop.
Tommy
Sometime
Fillingham.
before I get to the end of it, of course.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay. Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Okay. Would you like to put that inside? Somebody put that inside the deck here. No, wait. Don't put it inside the deck yet. Just put the lock on it here.
You want it closed?
Sure. Right.
It's like my hands are greasy.
Oh, messing up my deck. Oh.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, I got greasy hands.
There we go.
Sorry.
Okay, very good. Now,
They should tell us a story there. We should do it there.
did you find your card?
There went
in the
Eric.
deck? Go ahead, find your card in the deck.
Can't remember what it was.
You
It
remember?
was a free.
You know
It
how
was a free with
much
hearts.
better this trick will work if
It was
you
a free
remember
with
what
hearts,
it
Mommy. It was a free with
Instead of
hearts.
screaming that you have to have something to work with in the audience.
It was a free with hearts, Mom.
That's all right. He's gotten me before.
Was it black or red? Because I thought I saw both.
It was red.
Hearts. Hearts is red, Doug.
And same as the diamonds.
It isn't there.
Not supposed to be there.
Spades are black, same as the club.
It's right.
She's not going to give up.
Come
No,
on.
I just think I might have missed it.
Come on, hurry up.
Nope, it's not here.
Not there. It's should be. Let's see it. Yeah, it should be out there, like on top of the VCR or something up there.
Do you put vinegar?
I don't know about that.
Do that again, do that again.
Put vinegar on there.
Maybe you can do something else.
When you make
Yeah.
pickles.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do that again.
I do other things. You see, I do things over and over again. I don't do the same trick over and over again. That's what I meant.
Sandy, did
Do
you
a
have that up
different
your
trick.
sleeve?
No, I didn't. That's what I was afraid with me sitting here. Everybody would think I did that, but no. In fact, I've never seen that one done before.
Oh, you see.
He pulled one on me down there at Virginia Beach.
And you're
But I
still
just- I
looking
mean,
for it, huh?
No, I was just sitting right there and I just could not believe what he did.
He just went. He just went.
You know, I've made a
And
prediction.
there it was.
I've
Do a
made a
different
prediction.
trick.
There is a special prediction that has been made up, kept in a mayonnaise jar, sealed in Duncan Wagnall's front doorstep, however that goes. Somebody point at one card. Go ahead. That one? Ha! I knew they were going to do that. I knew you would point at that card, you see? Those two have blue backs. That's the only card with a red back. I knew you were going to do that. And if you pointed at a different card, I would have gotten it wrong, huh?
And I was smart.
That's right.
Can we see the trick, please?
Oh, sure. We'll see a
Thank you.
different trick.
These are neat.
Did you say you wanted to eat?
No, I think he said it was neat.
No, I didn't.
Let's see if the camera picks this one up. Ha ha. We have 4 cards. Now, this is a test. Okay, let's see how to do that. Oh yeah, 4 cards. Okay. First card. Remember, first card. Put first card here. Remember, second card. Put second card here. Now it's going to get tougher. Remember, other two cards.
Wait.
I know.
Yeah.
I still remember.
You're still? What were they?
JK, JK.
JK and JK. No, they were all A.
Oh, you got it wrong. You got it wrong.